All right, we have 2 minutes left. Please state your judge for your question. And she is Dr. Mary Frances Sonell.
Good evening, LG. Good evening. It's an amazing question. How do you define women empowerment? And how do you empower others in your community? As someone who has been dwelling on self-doubt and insecurity, I have stumbled upon this realization that empowerment should always start within ourselves, because we cannot empower others if we as an individual is not empowered. Believe in yourself, because if you believe in yourself, then you are confident. And if you are confident, that will be the key to empowering others. Thank you.
And finally, wrapping up the interview for this night, first mother and daughter as well, Shalaya Lucy Ramirez-Torres. Hello, Shalaya. Good evening. All right, we have one judge left in, so please pick. And of course, this is Dr. M.R. Ian.
Good evening, well,
Good evening, sir.
so this is my question. As a black man, what do you like least in your city and why?
The beggars scattered. As a woman who is walking her day-by-day life in the busy streets of San Jose, I have seen and heard and I have witnessed different and many beggars asking and begging for any kind or money. It is what I like least in the city because it makes my heart ache. Seeing them live under the uncertainty of life, living in different lifestyles with no permanent shelter, with no unattended healthcare, it saddens my very mental heart. To those individuals, to those people who are living a very prestigious life, live your life to the fullest, because you have the blessings of what others have been dreaming of. Thank you.
A big round